Hello friend, this is our wall-mounted vending machine. It has a 32 inches touch screen. You can show your advertisement, your product pictures here. This is the ID scanner for age verification. Here is the card reader, and if you need bill acceptor, coin payment, we can add on it. This is the pickup port. Now let me show you how it works. First, choose what you want to buy and click Buy Now. And this is the ID card. You can put it here. Click Start.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
Now you can pay.
Authorizing. Thank you.
Now you can pick up your item. Now let me show you the inside. There are 10 channels in total in this machine. 5 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each level has 2 channels. And you can pull out the channels for replenishment. And this machine can sell e-cigarettes, cigarettes, condoms, napkins, and cars, and so on. Now let me show you how to do replenishment. First, pull out the tray. And now you can put your items from inside to outside. Now finished, you can put back.